Hi, first grade friends. Today we will write sentences using prepositional phrases. We will write a sentence about where carrots grow so that we can become better writers. First, let's review our prepositional anchor chart. This one looks much better than the one that I did yesterday, right? Well, it still tells anywhere a mouse might go. So let's look at the different places a mouse might go. Beside, above, on, behind, next to, toward, near, close to, beneath, below, and under. All of these are prepositions that tell where something is. Now we're going to read a story about how vegetables grow. Pay close attention to how each vegetable grows because they're going to be using up, down, and around prepositions. Okay, you ready?
Welcome back to our channel. Please subscribe to hear children's books read aloud daily. Up, Down, and Around by Catherine Ayers. In the dirt we'll dig a row, drop some seeds, and watch them grow. Dirt piles up, seeds go down, water splashes around and around. Corn grows up, carrots grow down. Cucumbers climb around and around. Peppers grow up. Potatoes grow down. Pumpkins vine around and around. Broccoli grows up. Beets grow down. Green beans wind around and around. Okra grows up. Onions grow down. Tomatoes twine around and around. Fresh and tasty, get a bunch. Pick some, pull some. Let's have lunch. The end. Don't forget to like.
Were you listening to some of the different ways that vegetables grow? So where did some of the vegetables grow in this story? Did some vegetables grow up? And some vegetables grew down? And some vegetables grew how? Around, that's right. Well, I hope that you remember what the carrots did because that's what we're going to write about today. We have a sentence stem that says the carrots grow blank the ground. So how did the carrots grow in the story? How are they growing? Where are they? They are down. They are in the ground growing down. So we're going to write this sentence in our journal. So pause the video for just a minute and go get your journal. And I'm going to go get my journal and we're going to write this sentence together. Okay, boys and girls, so the first thing you're going to do is copy the sentence stem. The carrots grow blank the ground, just like I did on my journal. So the carrots grow blank the ground. How did the carrots grow? They grow down. That's right. The carrots grow down where in the ground? Down in the ground. Down in the ground. The carrots grow down in the ground. So the carrots grew down in the story, right? Now, after you copy this sentence, the carrots grow down in the ground. This is our prepositional phrase right here, in the ground. That starts with a preposition, and it tells you where they are. They are down in the ground. And now I want you to draw a picture of carrots growing down. Okay? So let's review. We talked about different prepositions. We reviewed our prepositional anchor chart, and then we read a story about how vegetables grow. Some grow up, some grow down, and some grow how? Around. That's right. So when we use prepositions in our writing, our stories are going to sound just as great as the story we just read. So copy the sentence stem, write it in your journal, and draw a picture of the carrots growing down, and then take a picture and turn it into your Google Classroom. Then you're going to have a great day. Bye.